Thank you for joining our lesson. We're going to study rates of work and proportions. Number 6 in this paper, which says that 24 men, each working 10 hours a day, take 4 days to complete a piece of work. How many more days will it take 15 men, each working 8 hours a day, to complete the same piece of work? Remember to subscribe and to also share the link with your friends. So here we are having men. We are also having hours. And we also have the number of days being taken in order to complete a certain piece of work. Therefore, we are starting with 24 men who are working 4 hours in a day. They are taking 4 days, working 10 hours in a day, 10 hours in a day. Then now, we have another group of men now working at the same rate, but they are now 15. They are working 8 hours a day. How many days will they take to complete the same piece of work? So we are going to increase and decrease 4 days using the ratios of hours and those of men. So we have, when men are working 10 hours a day, they take 4 days. What about when they start working 8 hours? These men are going to take longer than the way they would have taken when working 10 hours. If they are going to take longer, then we will increase the 4 days in this ratio, such that we will have 4 days being increased in the ratio 10 out of 8. Then we multiply by, we now consider the number of men. When men are 24, they are taking 4 days. When they become 15, these men are going to take longer. The men are going to take longer because now they are working, they are fewer than how they were. So they will take longer. Again, the number of days is going to be increased in the ratio 24-15. So we multiply by 24 out of 15. So now we can compute this. 4 by 10 by 24. Then we divide by 8 times 15. This is giving us exactly 8. So these men are going to take 8 days. If they are taking 8 days, now we should understand the question is telling us to calculate how many more days. The other men could take 4 days, but now this group is taking 8 days, which means they are taking 4 more days. That is the concern. 4 more days. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.